In this video, I will learn how to install correct GitHub on Windows 11. Let's start. First, go to the web browser and Google search Git and press enter. The official website is visible. First website, double click. Where is the official website? Getscam.com. Scroll. Install for Windows. Click here to download. GitHub automatically download started. Wait. GitHub download. File click. GitHub file location. GitHub double click. Minimize the this is license. Next, GitHub location the as it is. Next, additional IQ, click arrow mark. Next, get as it is. Next, over the default branch name for new represents. Arrow mark, click second one. Next, keep as it is. Get from the command line. Next, choose the SSH excludable. Next, choosing SSH piece. First one click. Next, installation. Installing. Wait. The installation completed. Click. Keep as it is. Finish. The Git path double click. Code enter. Thank you for watching.